Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Dakota and I'm so sorry you guys are gonna hear like some background noise. It is Chai chewing on her bone and it's my AC that wants to act up and rattle. I swear, when I start filming, things just want to act up. God. Ugh.
Okay.
I really wanted to film this video. It's been long overdue, to be honest. I have really just been trying to like get as many as I possibly could because they're out of stock literally at every Ulta that I go to. I even ordered online. My NYX canceled my order I think like 3 times, and then I was like, that don't make no sense. You had it in stock, now you don't have it in stock. I don't know. Anyways, but it has been long overdue and I'm just like, F it. I'm just gonna, these are just the shades I'm gonna have and that's just what it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying? But I really think that I got a lot of swatches here for you guys to show you. So it is the NYX Shine Loud. Let me get these all together. Come on now, get your shit together, get your shit together.
2,000 years later.
All right, so I have all of these that I'm going to be swatching for you guys. I'm gonna put them on my lips. I'm gonna show you how they last. And I'm telling you, do not sleep on these, girlfriend. Like, if you see them, snatch it up because you're not gonna see them the next day. You know what I'm saying? These are absolutely amazing, amazing, amazing. So let's go ahead, let's pop this lippy off and let's put these on. I got some makeup wipes. I have my foundation on hand. That way, you know I'm gonna be looking crazy at the end of this video. I just already know it. But please make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I am doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. And oh, I just filmed this makeup look for you. You see it? Looks fire. Ow! Oh my god. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna get right into this video, but the makeup look is fire. I absolutely love this look. And let's get right to it. All right, let's start off with, I don't know, I think I should go with the nudes to the dark ones because I feel like if I try to take off a dark one and put a nude on, it's gonna look weird and you're not really gonna get the right pigment, you know what I'm saying? But these are amazing. Like, come with a matte lip and then they come with a gloss. I'm gonna show you. I don't have a white mask, so I just grabbed like a paper towel and I'm gonna like, you know, bot it. I'm going to like dab it on my lips. I'm also gonna like, you know what I'm saying, to really show you guys. I'm gonna rub it off. And it's not gonna budge. I'm telling you this right now. It is not going to budge. So these are amazing. They stay on all day. I've worn them underneath my mask. They do not come off. I'm telling you, they don't come off unless you really, really scrub your lips with makeup remover. These are amazing. Amazing. You know, let's start off with this shade. This one is Global Citizen. Now, one side is the gloss and then one side is like the matte lipstick. And these are just so nice. Like, they kind of remind me of the Tarte Shape Tape where they have that little dip in the middle to like really grab onto product. That way you don't have to like constantly keep going back in. And as far as smell goes, they don't have a strong scent. They do smell, but it's not a strong scent. And they smell good, to be honest. So let's go ahead and put this on real quick. I love that it has like the tip. I don't know if you guys see that as well. It has like a pointed tip is what I was trying to say. That way you could like really get into like the corners along with like shaping the top. Already I can feel it drying. And when it dries, it doesn't feel like cakey or anything like that. It feels breathable. It feels like there's nothing really there. Now when it's drying, you can totally tell, like you can feel it drying. You can feel like the moisture coming out of it. But I think that you could wear it even with it just being like this. Like, you don't really need to add like the gloss to it, you know what I'm saying? And once it starts to dry, you really don't want to have your lips touch, because once they start touching, like if I go like this, you guys see what I'm talking about? You guys see? They get stuck together, and that's just because it's drying, and then it does break up a little bit as well. So you just want to wait. I would say like wait a minute or 2 minutes. No, not even 2 minutes. That's way too long. But like wait a minute, and then you can eventually be like, you know what I'm saying? So my lips are fully dry, but as far as you can see, like there's nothing on my hand or anything like that. Chai has found her squeaky toy, so just ignore her. But you go like this. Y'all see that? Nothing. So let's add some of the gloss. It literally feels like I'm wearing nothing. And I love that. Because you know, you're always worried, like if you go on a date, or if you eat food, or if you have your mask on all day, like these things will not budge at all. Now let me show you with the gloss. See, it's clear. There's literally nothing that comes off on that. And you still have a little bit of gloss, like a little bit of moisture, but it doesn't take the color off. This stuff is amazing. Let me try and take this off. I know it's gonna hurt. Yeah, I'm like really having to scrub. Look, I'm really scrubbing and it's not budging. All right, this is Ambition Statement. Oh, this one's like a nice orangey color. And again, this is Ambition Statement. All right, let's add the gloss. What do you guys think of this color? You guys like or don't like? Next shade is gonna be Born to Hustle. This shade is super cute. It's like, it has nude and some pink in it, but it's not like too nude, but it's not like too peachy. You know what, it does remind me of a peach. That's what it reminds me of, is a peach. And I love this color. My poor lippy lips. They're gonna be fucked up. They're gonna be like, just give me some CARMEX. Yes, I said CARMEX. I'm a ride or die CARMEX fan. You know that movie? I can't think of the movie. I think it's like the Greek movie. My Big Fat Greek Wedding, where the dad's like over there like, put some Windex on it. Get some Windex. My mom is like that with CARMEX. Like anything. Like I could get a scratch and she's like, put some CARMEX on it, sweetie. It'll heal it. Girl, she wasn't lying. It does heal it. I'm not even gonna lie. Telling you the secret right now. CARMEX is the shit. Not the cherry one. I don't really like the cherry one. I just like the regular schmegular one. Like, where is it at? I got some actually. This one. The classic lip balm. Fire. I love CARMEX. Some days, I'll put a lip on and just put CARMEX over it and people think I have a gloss on. Nope. Just CARMEX.
A few moments later.
Okay, so these next two shades are so similar. What the fuck? Trophy? Oh my god, bitch, I got the same fucking color. I literally was about to be like, hey, these next two shades, they're like very similar. Let me see if they're different. Girl, I got the same two shades. That's how I got played. I got played. So, you know what? One's not open. I'm gonna just put this in the giveaway. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Save some money. Well, I didn't save some money, but you know what I mean. So this one is Trophy Life or Trophy Wife? Trophy Life. Honey. This one is so cute. Super cute. So I think it's completely dry now because nothing's coming off on my finger. So let's go ahead and test it out real quick. Yeah, nothing. And that's what they're being fully dry. So yeah, this was just in the middle of my lip where it's not really dry. All right, next shade is gonna be Goal Getter. Ooh, this one's like a rich, like reddish. I really feel like you can get some goals done with this, to be honest. Like, you know that bomb like business lady that's wearing like a red lip, a bold red lip? This is what it reminds me of, and I think this name fits perfectly with this color. So I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then we're gonna do our little test, since it is a darker color, to see if it stays on. Goal Getter is completely dry. Let's go ahead and test it out here real quick. This is blank. I mean, it speaks for itself. Let's go ahead and add the gloss. Next shade that we're gonna be going in is gonna be Boundary Pusher. Ooh, this is like a pretty like fall color. Ooh, like sweater weather is what it's giving me right now. I'm here for it. Okay, so it feels like this one is completely dry. Let's go ahead and do our wear test real quick. Boom. It's like that girl. Boom.
Boom!
I swear, I love how I just went from like a dark brown and now I'm going back to red when I could have just gone from pink to red. I don't know what goes on in my brain. I really don't. So this shade is Rebel in Red. And this is like a bright, bright red. And I don't think I have bright, bright reds. This reminds me of like stilettos, you know? With the gloss, girl. I'm feeling spicy. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Oh, it's like tearing up my makeup right here. My goodness, my goodness. All right, two more shades down to the final two shades. We are down to the blues. All right, let's start off with the really bright blue. Ooh, this is called Disruptor. Ooh. The pigment though. The pigment. Okay. I feel like these are completely dry. I am gonna say, with this one, I don't know if it's just because I put so many on, but this one I can definitely feel like it's on my lips. Like I feel like papery. So I don't know if it's just with the dark shade or if it's just because I've tried so many and my lips are like worn down, you know? So let's do the wear test on this one. This is blank. 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 Ooh, blue's gonna be real interesting to take off. Real interesting. I look like I have a mustache.
Nice.
All right, last and final shade that I have. My lips are definitely like, love me, please give me moisture. I'm dying. That's how they are right now. So we are going to do a Self-Taught Millionaire. This one is pretty. It's like a dark teal, like, it's giving me like evil mermaid vibes. You know what I'm saying? But like, ooh, like Ursula vibes. No, she's like more purple, but you always get the point. Ooh. So I can tell you right off the bat with putting this on, the dark one is definitely a little bit more streakier. And I think because it's so dark that like when you put it on, it's kind of like obviously it's like liquid. I don't know. It's just, I had to keep going over it and it's already getting like super dry, super, super dry. So it's almost dry. I love the color. Like I love the payoff on it. It's just, this one is really tightening on my lips. Like when I go like this, like I spread my lip out, it's like, it feels like it's cracking a little bit, you know? All right, let's do the test on this one. Here it is, blink. These colors are just amazing. Like, look at that, amazing. All right, alrighty. So all in all, I think these colors are amazing. If you can find them at Ulta, I don't think that they're at the drugstores just yet. But these are definitely amazing. Get your hands on them as soon as possible. As soon as you see them, get them in your car, take them, snatch them, fight over them. No, I'm just joking, don't fight over them. But low-key, like, these are extremely good for what they are. And I believe that they retail for $12. That's a steal. And these are mask friendly. Like, they're not going to come off, they're not going to budge. You guys see how hard I worked. I went through 3 makeup wipes to take all of it off. And I have somewhere to be right now, so I have to take off this color. And I'll probably put like one of my nudes on because I'm going to be eating tacos. Scrumptious. Just thinking about it is making me hungry and my mouth is watering, you know? But definitely make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel. I really hope that you guys love this video. And leave me any video suggestions down in the comments. And I believe that's all I have to tell you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!